Hey, thanks for stopping by. I am cooking with Snickers. Today we're making 15 bean soup. I let my beans soak in water overnight. I grabbed a smoked turkey leg from the store that I'm going to put in my crock pot, along with 1 chicken bouillon cube, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. I was told that by adding the seasoning at the bottom of the crock pot, the steam will cause the seasoning to rise throughout the food inside of the crock pot. So that's just what I've been doing. And it's seeming to work. Haven't had any problems. Go ahead and grab your chicken broth. If you like this type of content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I like to add enough broth to cover half of the amount of meat that I'm adding inside. I'm going to add my turkey leg and let it sit for about 2 hours. All right, here I am just checking to see how tender it is. I'm going to let it sit for another hour. Next, I'm going to add my beans to the broth and turkey leg. I'm going to let that sit for another 2 hours. Here I am just checking the progress. As you can see, the meat is starting to separate from the bone. It's coming along perfect. Go ahead, cover it, let it sit for another hour and a half, 2 hours. After about an hour, 2 hours, I added some tomatoes. You can use stewed tomatoes or whatever it is that you like. Cover it, let it sit, check on it again. 2 hours later, this is what we're looking like. The longer that you let the beans and meat sit in the crock pot, the thicker that your brew from your soup is going to get. I like it a little bit thicker, so I'm going to leave it in there for another hour, but you're more than welcome to take it out now. Again, this is Cooking with Snickers. Go ahead and share this with your friends or your neighbor or whoever you know. This is the final product. It was delicious. You can eat it with cornbread if you like, but let me know if you try it out. Bye.